So we got this toy. Okay, here, open your toy.
Okay, so let's see. Oh, it's really hard.
We put the wrapper off, but just open it up.
It's somebody big.
Okay, open it with your. See? Oh, I already know who it is. Wait, let me see who I think it is. I don't know. Oh no! Got the seal. Is he sure? Oh, he's heavy. It's this seal. You can get 1 in 24. You could get over. Art. Oh my god. We gotta get my toy now. Gabriel, I'm gonna open my toy now. We're gonna see. It says. Wait, it says. Look, it says there's 3 pekins and 1 tile inside. I gotta. Let me open it. I'm trying to open it up with my mouth.
Why can I just hold it?
Sorry. So already opened the wrapper, so here it goes. Okay, just rip it all open. Okay, here we go. Ready? I'm scared. Oh, they're in back. Seriously. Is this a tile? Why do I need a tile? I don't know, but I keep on collecting them. Whoa, they're in like this big. Whoa, big back. I don't know. How do I? Let's see. We'll open this later. So let's open this now. Ready? Sorry, Gabriel's gonna die, so hold. Ready? Don't turn it off. Put it right here down.
90s and today.
Okay, ready? Here, put it right here. Okay, I'm just gonna open it from here now. Why is there
Love songs on Coast
Why is there
45.
3? There's 3 of them. It says there's only 2. What is? Oh, it's cute.
Let me see.
I think it's like a little battered cat.
Oh.
This is the first one.
So let's see the other one.
There's the second one. Oh, it's a little like cactus. Oh, it's cute.
Let's see the
Now
last
the
one.
last one.
Oh,
No,
let's
I
see.
thought it came with 2 only. It said 2 only. Oh, it's so tiny. It's like a little book or something. I don't know.
I don't
So we're
know.
gonna look in here. Give a flashing in here. Let's see which ones we have. There's a big one too. Okay. So you could
Oh,
Stop
they
it
have 2 girls.
put it this way, Gabriel. Let's see.
Whoa.
So
2 more girls.
we're gonna look for one. Sorry. Which one? I don't know where mine is. So let me keep on. Sorry.
Grab my golf.
Okay. We have this little yellow thing. I don't know where it's at. It's yellow, so this looks like yellow. Sorry. Looks like it's yellow. See them? Hold on. That's a bunny. This is not a bunny. I don't know where it's at. Oh man. It's nope. Okay, well look at this one. Wait, is there some in the back? Oh yeah, there is.
Oh, this is really fun.
So, I think I found him right here. No, I dropped mine. Pick it up. Okay. This looks like it. It says 9, number 9. Number 9 is a wood holder. Okay, hello.
Nice. How tall is mine?
No, wait. Wood holder, which is a yellow. I don't know. This is complicated. Well, let's look at this pink notebook, whatever.
I got to see him in the dark.
I think it's probably. Let's check in the back for another. No, I don't see it. Oh man. Probably. I don't know where it could be. Check on the other side, Gabriel. So number 6. Number 6, see a DVD. This is not a DVD. This looks exactly like that one, 21. But yeah, so 21 is a magazine. I got a magazine. The last one is a cat. This one's easy to find. It's right there. It's number 6. Yep, cactus pot. They don't have another different ones though. Yeah, those all of them.
So let's see how tall it's not. Right there?
No, it says it is 1 out of 24 to be found. So yeah, that's
Well, where
common,
is
I
he?
think. I don't know. I don't know. I gotta.
Hi there, I'm Karen Sharp. It's Love Songs on Coast 103.5. Stay with us on the way. We've got Christina Aguilera and all of your favorites right here.